Hi everybody, it's 12:41 and 7 seconds on April 25th. Uh, as I tried to explain, I actually had this item posted, this being the Tales of Suspense number 40, probably about 2 hours ago. Just as I posted it, I had a work phone call coming in and I knew it was going to be a really long phone call. So I immediately deleted the original post as I would not have been able to monitor it. Okay, so anybody that noticed that, that's the reason why. Once I got off the phone call, I put it right back up and the thing filled pretty quickly. So here we go. Here are the 13 filled spots. All right, let's do our 3 dice. Number is lucky 7. Going to be lucky for somebody. Name at the top of the list. We'll get the Tales of Suspense number 40. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here's the final one. 7. Spot 5, the final spot. Ken Saxon. Congratulations. Time is now 12:42 and 23 seconds.